What is prop firms? Prop firm, those are companies that give traders capital to trade with. But they will not come here and I say, son of Sam, you are one of the handsome guys in Africa. Oh, Madam Rora, you are the Miss Nigeria. Now you are going to give your capital and you start trading for us. No, it doesn't work that way. I understanding it, guys. It doesn't work that way. You need to pass through what we call evaluation. So they have three types of evaluation. The first one you can do first step evaluation. The second one you can do two-step evaluation. And the third one you can do three-step evaluation. So, but when we made the discussion and we made the video, we reached on conclusion. We said, if you want to do a prop farm, let us do the one of two steps, because we said we made the video and we reached on conclusion saying that it is the best. So, if you are going to do the two-step evaluation, what do they want? They will ask you, son of Sam, which capital do you want? I say, I want a capital of 100,000. They will say, son of Sam, okay. Bring a collateral to prove us that you're a good trader, not just giving you a capital to start practicing on it when you don't know anything. So by the time you get like your $500, you put it there as a collateral. Then they will give you 100 account demo. They say make 10%, 8%, that is industry standard. It depends on the company that you are doing. I understanding it, guys. So if you pass first phase and you make 10,000 or 8,000, they will say, son of Sam, you may be a good trader. And so I say, yes, of course I'm a good trader. I have one of the best strategies in the industry, them Somali. You are going to see how good I am. Then they will say, okay, we are going to give you another test. They give you the same account of 100,000, but by this time they will tell you make 5% on the second phase. So when they give you that 5% and you make 5% on it, they will say, son of Sam, now we can agree. Let's now go on table. They will say, son of Sam, we are going to give you back your $500. So they can give you that $500. It depends on the account that you are doing. They start from 5,000 to 100,000. So let's say that you are doing the capital of 5,000. For it costs averagely $50. If we are doing if you wanted the capital of 10,000, it costs averagely on $100. If you wanted a capital, the same was up to $100,000. So you choose your hard. Now, like me, I'm a professional. I've won many prop firms. I can choose the one of 50,000 and I pay like 300, or I choose the one of 100,000 and I pay like 50. So after passing first phase and the second phase, they will say, son of Sam, now we can agree with you. You are a good trader. We are going to give you capital. They say, first get your $500 you deposited for if I had bought account of 100,000. Then they will give me that one $500 capital. Then they give me 100,000 US dollars to trade with. After saying this, I said, let me even say it in secret. That is a blessing to we African traders. Because imagine now me, I'm managing over 2 million US dollars in capital. Even all my ancestors, the one who had died, even my relatives who are present, they can even die without getting all that capital. So this capital was going to get it from where? Prop farm. It was a blessing to we African traders. Even in Europe, it is hard to trade with this capital. So imagine you are having 100,000 US dollars. Okay, some people, they say it is not 100 because they allow you to raise 10,000. Okay, you are having that 10,000 that they allow you to raise. But that 10,000, it is what we call risk-free capital. For example, if I make like, for example, let's say that I made like 3,000 on it, they are going to take 20%. For them, they take 20%. For you, take 80%. That means I'm going to remain with 2,600. I'm going to remain with 2,600 US dollars $2,600 US. I'm going to put it in my capital. They are going to reset my account to 100,000 again. I start trading. That means in case there is my friend who said there is when that demon is come. If that demon come and you lose that account, do you think you are going to lose 10,000 US dollars that they have given you to lose? That is their loss. They will never even call you son of Sam. You have blown our account. We are going to look for you and arrest you. No, it is in terms and conditions. I have lost it. I'm a human being. The demon came. You are going to remain with your 300, your 200 and 600 US dollars. But imagine if someone gave you a capital of 10,000 and you made 3,000. After making 3,000, then you say at the profit of 50%. You went with 1,500, he went with 1,500. Then his capital, that demon come and you blew his capital. That's why you find there is a video that I saw of Kenyan guy. The guy found it on the way. They started punching him, saying, "You man, we need our money. Where is our money? You promised us that you'll be making money." No, guys, don't wait to beat you. Like me, I don't trade anyone's money. And there are people who are using even my name on Telegram. They are scamming people. I only have one channel, Telegram, and its link is in bio. If they scam you, that's not me. I don't manage anyone's money. I trade my own capital. I'm having almost $2 million US. I don't need your $200. I don't need your $300, guys. Just use it. So that's how prop farm works. In summary, let me summarize it very well in quick, because that was our goal. Prop farm, so take it as companies that will give you capital to trade with, but they are going to first give you a test which we call evaluation. And that evaluation, it can be 1 step, 2 step, or 3 step. But we made a video saying always take the 1 of 2 steps. So after passing that evaluation, they are going to refund your account. There are even some companies that are going to give you 10% of first phase and 10% of second phase, like funded next. You keep that also, that amount of money. Then after they will give you a capital, after giving you that capital, you will be trading that capital. You take 80%, they take 20%. Is there anyone who doesn't know prop farm now? Write in the comment section if what you want to know about prop farm. I will make sure I will reply it, or join my Telegram group, link in bio. Don't search. There are many Telegram groups that are using my name. They are scamming people. So that was what we call a prop farm. The reason why I like prop farm, even me, there is a demon when it came. When my first account that I have ever did, I passed it and I continued. I made 8,000 on it. After making 8,000 on it, there is my friend, I will never forget him. He came, he said, "Son of Sam, do you know when you trick your Msumari?" But that story, it will be over another day. I will tell you, that story is sweet. It made me cry. I lost my account. After losing that account, it was the one of 20,000, if I'm not mistaken. I made 8,000 on it. But again, I lost to those 20,000. But I remained with my 8,000. That means I had the chance of taking other accounts of 20,000, like 100 of them, because they are costing cheap, like $200. So that means I can even take 100 of them. That means the money that you collect in prop farm, you will never lose that money. But not all prop farm that they will pay you. I remember one day we were trading one of the prop farm in Nigeria with my friend, and they failed to pay us. He said, "Son of Sam, the business we started to rescue us, it is the one that is going to kill us." That thing made me laugh even up today, because those companies never paid us. They scammed that 30,000. That's why I say you need always to trade my best prop farm, which is Fivers, Funded Next, Funding Pips, Handtake Trader, and FTMO. The reason why I'm saying this, they have ever paid me. I'm not saying that others are bad. No, I've never traded with them. But because now I've become a YouTuber, I'm going to start trading them. I sacrifice myself, no problem. If they pay me and I see their trading conditions they are good, I'm going also to add it on the list. I understanding it, because I always want to give you the best. I was Rukundo, son of Sam. But remember, we have our demo competition. If you can't afford to buy those accounts that we have told you because they are somehow expensive, but they're expensive because they pay traders. At just $9, you come in our demo competition. After passing that demo competition, we give you an account of 5,000, which costs almost $50. That means even if you fail once, twice, 4 times, you are just going to use $50 to get account of $5 instead of losing like 100. We are doing that for our community. We call it, there was a bar of rock stars which were called the Nickelback. If you come in that bar and you drink like 2 bottles and you say, I'm going, man, I still wanted to drink, but man, money is over. They used to give you what we call Nickelback, and that band is called the Nickelback. So we are also doing what we call Nickel back to our community.